On air in 3, 2, 1.
And we're back. Hello, Pips. I'm Amanda Elizabeth and my partner.
Hello, people. I am Bernadette Cecilia.
And you're listening to AB 131.21 FM. And coming next, we have the cover of the Mitosis song by Adinda. And fun fact, Cecil and I have a little contribution in that song, right, Cecil?
Yes, you are correct.
Before we play the song, we have two very special guests accompanying us today.
Ooh, who is it?
It is our own friend, and it is extraordinary because she is the singer who covered the Mitosis song itself, Dinda, and our scientist friend, Daniel. You guys may introduce yourself.
Hi, my name is Arinda Aulia.
And my name is Daniel Matthews.
Hello, how are you guys? Is it good? Great? Wonderful?
Yes.
Yeah, we are grateful to be here.
By the way, Adinda, I heard that you just released your new cover song, and it's got popular because you are known as the love song singer, but now you sing a song that is out of your league.
Yes. Why did you decide to make a different topic? I mean, before, your cover songs was a love song, but now it is an educational song. And we have to know something important about mitosis or the cells.
I just wanted to try something new, and you guys know that I love science, right? So I just wanted to cover something in my passion. And fun fact, I consulted Daniel about this song too.
Yes, you're right. And I will try my best to answer all of your questions.
For the mitosis song itself, it is essential to learn the process of cell division, as it is really happening in our own body, right?
Yes, that's right.
But first thing first, let's discuss the key role of cell division. There's a famous saying regarding cells. In Latin, we say it as omnis cellulae cellula, which translates to every cells from a cell. This means that every cell cannot build itself without the roles and help from other cells.
Ah, I see. Also, I have heard that the essential function of cell division in prokaryotic and unicellular eukaryotes is to reproduce. Is that true?
Yes, that's true. The function of prokaryotic and unicellular eukaryotes are to reproduce. In addition, the function of cell division in multicellular eukaryotes acts as renewal and repair. Furthermore, cell division will pass identical genetic material to other offspring, resulting in identical daughter cells, exception for meiosis, and guys, this only happens in mitosis.
Wow, this is all new for me since I'm not a fan of science. You know, right, guys? Sorry for my stupidity.
Wait, no.
That's why we learn, am I right?
Yes, you are 100% right.
Well, let's learn then, Cecil. I have a great feeling you will catch up in no time, but it's actually a good question though.
Yeah, Cecil is known for her high curiosity.
And what is a genome? Like, what does it consist of? Or what is the cell's genome?
Okay, in definition, the genome is an organism's entire set of genetic information. The genome can consist of single DNA molecules, often contained in prokaryote cells, or many DNA molecules often consist in eukaryote cells. And for your information, this discussion will go into one of the three subtopics, cellular organization of the genetic material.
Ooh, interesting. I think this will be a long discussion. How about chromosome?
If I remember correctly, chromosome consists of chromatin. It is complex of DNA molecules and protein called histones, right?
Marvelous, Mada. Are you a scientist? And would you say it's correct? Although we can differentiate it because each eukaryotic cells of every species have a different number of chromosomes in its nucleus.
Oh my god, these are very informative yet stressful to hear.
Yes, it is stressful for those not a fan of science.
Yeah, that's true.
Now, move on to the next topic. During the DNA preparation of cell division, you might already know it, but people who don't know, let me tell you guys that DNA will be replicated and the chromosome will get condensed.
Yes, then for chromosomes that have already been duplicated or replicated, form sister chromatids.
Do you guys know what happened next?
No idea. Oh wait, maybe the sister what attach?
The sister chromatids?
Oh yeah, sister chromatids.
Good guess. Sister chromatids will attach along their length with the help of cohesin.
After that, the
Wait, I am so sorry for interrupting, but what is cohesin?
cohesin is a multiple protein subunits complex that helps the sister chromatids attach one from another.
Ah, okay. Thanks. You may continue.
You're welcome. Okay, after sister chromatids attach, the sister chromatids will separate during the mechanical processes, form two identical chromosomes, and form or distribute two daughter cells. That's it, guys, and we can move on to the next topic.
Okay, thank you, Dinda. But before we talk to the next one, we got the Mitosis song by Adinda Ulia for you all.
Well, if the process of mitosis leaves you in a daze, then you need to focus on its separate phase. The letters P, P, M, A, T will help you memorize them individually. Prophase, prometaphase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. In prophase, the chromosomes suddenly appear by condensing into chromatids with centromeres. Pairs of chromatids, like tiny coiled ropes, are visible if you look through a microscope. Prophase, prometaphase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. In prometaphase, as a nuclear membrane breaks the microtubules from the centrosomes engage, probing at the center of the chromosome's core, the centromeres where they attach to kinetic core. In metaphase, the chromosomes line up on the plate at the cell's equator where they wait for the next phase and anaphase to start, which is where the paired chromosomes are pulled apart. Prophase, prometaphase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. In telophase, the separated chromosomes arrive at the post where they are surrounded by reconstituted nuclear membranes, coiling and diffusing into chromatin again. Prophase, prometaphase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. Prophase, prometaphase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase.
There is it, peeps, the angel voice of Adinda. Her voice is so good, right? And it is an exciting song and very informative too.
Thank you, Cecil. I appreciate it.
Now let us go to the next topic.
Next up, we'll discuss the regulation of eukaryotic cell. Cell cycle control system consists of an internal signal, and the internal signal has three checkpoints.
Is the first checkpoint occurring during G1?
Yes, it occurs during G1. The cell synthesizes DNA and prepare for cell division in G1. Then, the cell will obtain a go-ahead signal and it will divide after completing the S, metaphase, and G2 phases.
Interesting, then what will happen after that?
After that, we will move to the checkpoint 2, which occurs during G2. DNA synthesis is completed in this phase, and mitotic spindle microtubules are formed.
Ugh, wait, I am so sorry, guys, but I have to pick this up. You can continue, sorry, guys.
Oh yes, it's okay. Take your time, Cecil.
Yes, Cecil speaking.
Sorry guys for the interruption, and back to the topic. I think I know what you're talking about, Daniel. After checkpoint 2, there is checkpoint 3 that occurs in metaphase before the cohesin cliffs and move to the opposite pole.
Exactly. The DNA and cellular proteins are divided into two per daughter cells during metaphase. Then go back to G0.
Can you explain what G0 is for our listeners? What happened there?
Sure, G0 is a gap phase or resting state. However, many cells spend the majority of their time in this phase.
Hello, guys, I'm back. What did I miss? I'm sorry, guys, just got a call from the hospital. My sis just had her chemo treatment.
Oh my, is it a success?
Yeah, she's getting better. Oh yeah, that reminds me. I have heard from someone that cancer cells are connected to the cell cycle, right?
Oh yeah, I heard that too. The connection between the cancer cells and cell cycle is pretty obvious. Correct me if I'm wrong. Cell cycle machinery regulates cell proliferation, and cancer is a disease that is caused by abnormal cell proliferation.
Yes, basically, all cancers allow for the presence of an abnormally large number of cells, but they also have differences as well.
Really? I don't know about that. What are the differences?
Normal cells need to grow factors to make the cell grow well. Growth factors are released by certain cells. They help the cell grow well by stimulating other cells to divide.
Oh yeah, I know about this. Meanwhile, the cancer cells do not need those growth factors, right?
Yes, you're correct. Cancer cells do not need to grow factor to divide. They can make their own growth factor and can divide without the presence of a growth factor.
Cancer cells that are not eliminated by the immune system will form tumors. The tumors itself has two types.
Oh, one of them is a benign tumor, right? It is an abnormal cell that stays only in one place, its original place, and forms a lump.
Yes, that's right. The other one is malignant tumor. Malignant tumors invade the surrounding tissue and can metastasize. It can export the cancer cells to other parts of the body and form additional tumors.
It's very dangerous. If the cancer cells go through to the other part of the body, it is called metastasis. Metastasis cancer is very dangerous and risky.
Ah, both of them sounds dangerous and scary. Even scientists still haven't found the cure for this disease. However, can we still treat this disease?
The patient who suffers from a beginning tumor can still be treated by high-energy radiation therapy, as the tumor or cancer cell still stays in one place. However, a patient who suffers from a malignant tumor cannot any longer conduct high-energy radiation. They will use chemotherapy instead.
And what's the reason?
If the doctor uses high-energy radiation therapy for a patient who has a malignant tumor, not only the cancer cell will die, but the normal cell will from all bodies will also join to die, and rather will cause death to the patient instead and not cure.
And we have finished our conversation about mitosis and cancer cells. Yay! I hope our discussion can bring benefit and is valuable and insightful for you all. Before we part, do you have words for your fans and to people that are listening to us?
Sure, we want to thank you to you guys because we've been invited into our friend's studio.
And thank you to those who are loyal listening to my cover songs and our conversation. Have a blessed day.
You're welcome, and thank you to Adinda and also Daniel, who is willing to be here, and thank you to you guys too, who faithfully listen to our conversation. This is AB 131.21 FM, and we will see you guys again sometime. Peace out.